Of this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, adjustable pedals, tachometer, universal garage door opener. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.